Okay, the bottom of my side door here had some rotten wood, preventing the threshold from not fitting properly. So this is what I'm doing here. All this other wood was good, just needs painted. Nothing wrong with it. Take out a couple inches to where you feel it's necessary. I did 5. Run some screws in there. I'm gonna put some wood filler in here and sand that down. And now my threshold fits in there right, instead of having this this stuff going on here. Didn't quite have anything really to work with. So some filler, redo the caulking here, and the trim was kind of messed up here. This is irrelevant, but I'm changing out the trim here, and then everything should be kind of buttoned up. And then there's a groove here. The reason what I did was I bought a full length of this. It was like 30 bucks, right? Because it has the groove for the weather stripping that kind of has these teeth that hook in there. So, but what I'll do is I'll keep that in case I have another door jamb, or yeah, another door jamb that needs fixed. I can reuse that and just cut some more off of it if that happens to come across. Yeah, it's 30 bucks, but yeah, it is what it is. All right, here's the final product. A little dirty from the rain, but all in all, happy with it. I've got the outside trim on. I've got both sides kind of buttoned up. No rod at the end, so a lot better, lot better looking, and a lot less, a lot more airtight, I guess. Changed some siding here on the bottom. We'll get to that some other point. But yeah, overall, painted the trim. As you can see, looks fine to me.